So we're about to put in the walls, windows, doors, roof, everything that we can based on this point cloud. And before we do that, let's just review everything that we've done and make sure that you're ready to proceed. First of all, as I look at this, you can see that there's red everywhere. Remember, the way that we were able to control that was through visibility graphics. We can go to point clouds and you can change from RGB, which is the default, to any kind of a color, any single color that you select. I'm going to turn mine down just a little bit. That bright red is maybe a little bit obnoxious. I don't know that that's any better. It won't matter too much because we're going to start working primarily from the laser scan. And if it's helpful in any one of these views to see things more clearly, you can always just turn the drone scan off entirely. And in the first floor plan, I am kind of interested in doing that just because I don't want any points to be out of position here. I need to be able to see these walls and see them clearly. Now remember, something that we did was a temporary view template, which allows us to look at the scan and see it down at the ground level, the medium height, or up high so that we clear all the windows and doors. And this is where I really start to see that wall cavity so that I can position the walls as accurately as possible. Also keep in mind that things are going to continue to be out of place. As I look at my scan in section, and I've got my floors relatively level, both on the main floor and the basement. I'm trying to find a happy medium between both of those. And then I come up here and draw a line from eave to eave. And this was kind of disappointing because I know by looking at the other scan, which you can access in the assignment, you can click here under resources. This is the assignment for the digital twin ASBIM. But when I click on the link for this scan from that assignment and I just study my roof eaves, they should be level all the way across from one side of the building to the other. There's no spot or point where it rises or drops. So that's going to be fun to deal with when I get to the roof portion. But at some point I kind of have to stop fussing and just say it's as close as I'm going to be able to get it. And we're ready to start modeling. So make any last minute adjustments that you want to. In the next video, we'll start putting in the geometry.